Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another .com lunch. Christians inside told someone to come out here and take our order, and someone did. All right, we have a new guest here, first time at the .com lunch. Those of you who are in a certain Facebook group will know her. She is here, and look who's back from China. Sally's back, and of course she's got her iPad linked to the Layer Cake Bakery. And there's Christian. Did you order already, Christian?
Yes, I did.
You ordered?
Come outside?
Yeah, the person came outside, so thank you very much. That was great. A little update. Some of you who watched my video know that I recently purchased the new 2018 MacBook Pro with the top-of-line Core i9 processor and 4 terabytes of SSD, RAM, 7K MacBook Pro. Anyway, update on that. I'm going to return it.
Yeah.
Apparently, why am I returning it? Not because it's just a rip-off expensive, which it is, but if you're going to be honest about it. But the reason I'm going to return it is because it can't run at its claimed clock speed. So you might have seen some videos. I'll put a link to it. But David Lee of D2 of the channel D2, he tested the new i9 MacBook Pro, and there is serious thermal throttling. Basically, we're running a Adobe Premiere rendering file. It was actually slower than the last year's i7 because of the heat generated by the processor and the thinness and compactness of the MacBook's chassis. It heats up so much that the CPU throttles back from 2.9 gigahertz down to like 2.2 gigahertz. So, and as a result, it's actually slower than last year's MacBook doing that task. And a lot of the tasks, it is faster, but and I find in my case, it is faster than my last year's MacBook Pro, which I have. It is faster in most cases, but once you start doing some serious rendering video or stuff that taxes the GPU and the CPU, it's the performance gain over last year's MacBook does not justify almost doubling the price of this thing. So I'm gonna return it, and maybe I'll just wait for the next update on the MacBook Pro, and by that time it'll probably be a 10K MacBook Pro for all we know, right? So yeah, that's it. So that's basically an update. Because right now I'm just using my last MacBook Pro. So maybe I'll switch back to PC. Ooh, yeah, John. I mean, I've been running Mac for so long now. I started off as a PC guy. In case you didn't know, I was a die-hard PC gamer, PC person. I mean, nothing but PC. And in fact, the only reason I bought a MacBook originally, my first MacBook, the only reason I bought it was because this was when Apple first switched to the Intel processor. So because they switched to the Intel processor, it meant that I could run Windows on it. So my idea of getting the first MacBook was to erase the Mac OS and install Windows on it, and then piss all the Mac users off. But what happened was I decided to run the Mac OS for a week to see what all the fuss was about. And after a week, I discovered what the fuss was about. And since then, it didn't get removed. I always been using Apple products since then. But yeah, you know, now we have Windows 10 is actually not too bad. So we'll see. Yeah. Anyway, that's the update for you guys. So you get the happy face iced coffee, and I got the kind of face. All right, I see what happened. So there's the happy face, there's the and then this is the whatever face. Yeah, that's a mad face. So Sally got the mad face. Yeah. Yeah. What's the face that? What is that? Is that the grimace face?
It's the one tooth face.
Oh wow, that's an interesting face. So this is interesting. Poke me in the eye, Sally. Do it. Yeah. Aiming right for the eye. Here you go, right for the eye. Damn it, I missed. I keep missing all the time.
Okay,
aim for the eye. Aim for the eye. You got closer than I did. So I went off the beaten path today. This is something totally different. This is called the D1. And the D1 is basically an appetizer, which is what I'm having. And then it's two spring rolls or salad rolls, and 3 egg rolls and salad with fish sauce and a peanut dipping sauce. It's It's not bad. I just didn't feel like pho today, so I figured I would just go for something totally different. And this is totally different. Sally's pork chop and rice. You call it. Last week I had the pork chop and rice, but I had the full size one, which had 2 pork chop, twice the veggie, and twice the rice. Sally's half the size. Junior size. This is junior size.
Kids plate.
Kids plate, yeah. But you still get the 99-cent lemonade, which is good. Sally got her food. I got my food. Cushion got his food. Where's your food?
I don't know.
Did he want to check? Where's her food?
Can you find out where my food
Did you find out where her food is? We all got food except for, yeah. The new girl, that's why. The new girl. It's called Hayes the New Girl Day.
I guess so.
Yeah, anyone new, get no service until you come here at least 10 times. All right, he just came out. Now he's going back in, and he's giving that really frustrated look. Oh, it was not my fault. The kitchen's fault, right? It was the kitchen's fault.
It's the kitchen's fault.
Always blame the kitchen.
Always.
All right, so that is quite hilarious.
I think
You know,
John's still hungry.
Silka finally got her food, and then they bought him food too. Even though you ordered nothing, they bought you one. Then they took it away, and then
Got 2 more.
he came back with 2 more for you that you did not order, and again, so the total of 3 bowls of pho. Either they're gonna resell it immediately or it's going to the garbage.
I don't know.
All right, Sally, ready to go? We now got to go to the Apple store to return the MacBook. We gotta go get some eggs and some self-tapping hex screws. Interesting, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's go. All right. Great to see you guys. We'll see you guys next week. Next week will be the last meetup before I go on my trip to New York and then my cruise to Alaska. So, see you guys next week.
Next week.
Yeah.